welcome to week 4. Well, not a full 4th week, but we're moving on to week 3. We spent 1 week, week 1, we were chapter 1. We were looking at just some basic concepts and things to help us understand algorithms a little bit better. Chapter 2 went into recursion, just a great tool to help solve some of the more complicated problems that we have in computer science. Some problems are just easier to solve that way. Now we move into a section that deal with lists, and in specific linear lists. So the next 4 chapters or so, or 3 chapters, you've got 3 major types of lists that are used. Stacks, queues, and then general linear lists, which gives you just some other concepts on how this stuff comes into play. Now, first chapter in this chapter 3 is on stacks. Now, stacks is you use it every day. If you're trying to get the 3rd plate from the top, how do you got to do it? You just can't reach in and grab that 3rd plate and get it. You got to take the first 2 off to get to that 3rd plate. So you just kind of think of a stack of plates as what we're trying to do here. We're going to try to organize data in such a way that we can control how we get access to it. So we're going to spend 2 weeks in stacks because it's that important of a concept, and you'll see how it's used in a lot of different areas. So this week is the first half of stacks, and we'll finish it up next week. So what I've got here is the PowerPoint slides, the lecture of the first part of this chapter, the Quizlet terms. I've posted a tool which I think will help you see how data structures work, and we're going to use this tool a lot in this class because sometimes pictures worth more than 1,000 words. This link allows you to see what structures look like. I don't know if I can, let me see if I can slide this over a little bit and let you see. It lists a series of different algorithms and how they work. And as you can see, what's at the top of the list? Basics. Stack array implementation, stack linked list, queues, list array. So, and when you look at this, let's just give you an example here. This tool allows you to put items and take things out of items. So let's say I want to put number 4. What do you have to do? If I want to put something on it, I have to push it onto a stack. So in this case, push it. And all this tool gives you a graphic implementation as to how, and you can adjust the speed of how fast it runs down below, because sometimes it'll give you great examples as far as how things are added. So say I'm taking to the top. But what did it do? It moved, my array is the same, but what happened? Did you notice what happened there? The pointer in here says what is the top of my stack. So remember, I'm stacking plates. So I just wanted to show you that tool. So again, the lecture here, but let's go back. Let's go back to this. All right. So that tool's been implemented. You can even do your homework on that. When we get later sections, you maybe, I don't know if the homework in this chapter will help. Yeah, probably will when we get to the next week. But you can do this. You can take the assignment, you can use that tool and take a screenshot of the results so you don't have to draw it out and things of that nature. I've posted some links and some videos as far as helping you understand what stacks are. The reflection journal is your only assignment this week. Because this chapter is split into two, I didn't want to split the assignments. I wanted you to focus on the content of the material because it's that important. So, reflection journal and darn, no quiz, no exam. So, need you to spend some time reading the material, trying to understand, ask me questions as you're going through it. Watch the video, watch the resources, and hopefully everything I've given you helps you understand a little bit more about stacks. If you have any questions, let me know. Talk to you later.